case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In an intriguing case concerning international law and justice, Shams Pahlavi succeeded in making the case that judgments rendered in Iran could not be enforced due to a fundamental lack of due process in the country at that time. The lawsuit was the result of an attempt by Bank Melli Iran and Bank Melli to enforce Iranian judgments against Pahlavi, an accusation that would put her ability to receive a fair trial in her home country under intense scrutiny. Pahlavi stood adamant in her defense, meticulously presenting a compelling range of evidence. In response, the district court granted summary judgment in her favor, signaling agreement with the stance that a fair trial could not be guaranteed in Iran. Unconvinced, the banks appealed against the judgment, attempting to argue that they were not given sufficient notice and that decisions had been erroneous. This decision affirmed that Iranian decrees and judgments relating to assets must comply with U.S. law, which inherently includes the due process requirement, a requirement that the banks were unable to prove was met in Iran. Key to the court's decision was evidence put forward by Pahlavi, highlighting the potential dangers of traveling to Iran and the politics surrounding the judicial system there. The banks were unable to dispute these claims convincingly, their argument undermined by inadmissible information and unfounded declarations. Ultimately, the court found in favor of Pahlavi, solidifying the victory she had initially obtained in the district court. The case was a fascinating testament to the universal necessity of due process and the critical role it plays even in enforcement of foreign judgments.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.